Guru Rinpoche is said to have visited countless different world systems in order to instruct the beings there. In his long career, he assumed many different shapes and forms according to need, including 8 great manifestations and countless minor ones. Finally, after completing his work in Tibet, he left for the country of the demon rakshasas in the land of Chamara, the subcontinent that, according to ancient Indian cosmology, lies to the southwest of Jambudvipa, our world, itself the great continent situated to the south of Mount Meru, the axis of the universe. Even then, the story is far from over. Ever mindful of Tibet and his faithful disciples scattered about the world, Guru Rinpoche visits them regularly, especially on the 10th and 25th days of the lunar month, returning from Chamara astride the beams of the rising and the setting sun.